Have you ever wondered where your time goes in a week? Or wished you could add up events from your calendar, or maybe only the events associated with specific project? Let's take a look at how you can do this in Google Calendar. So I have my calendar open here, and on the left-hand side, I'm going to click under Time Insights and choose More Insights. This opens up my Time Insights on the right. For the time breakdown by color, I'm going to click on the pencil to add a label for a project I'm working on now. I'm going to make this one red, and this is a website project. So I've added my name, I'm going to click save, and now I'm just going to tag my events related to that website project with that website tag. So I have this website meeting here. I'm going to right click on it. And then in the section on the bottom for the colors, I'm going to select the website color, that red one I added. I have focus time here for the website project. I'll tag that as well. And I'll tag this as well. And as you can see, as I'm tagging, the time insights on the right are adding up the hours associated with that tag. So I can see where my time goes, just like that. And that's it.